Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through how to create an automatic page post promotion campaign inside of AdEspresso. So the first step is just to select new campaign. Of course, you can give your campaign a name from here and then choose which ad account you'd like to use. Now when you scroll down beneath that, you're going to want to navigate to page, and then you're going to select page post option. Some of you might not have a page tab, you might have a place tab instead because you actually have a place instead of a page, but you're going to find the same option there. You can go ahead and click proceed now. Now from here, we can go ahead and pick whichever page we'd like to use. And then since we're going to use the automatic page post promotion option, we're going to select the second button here, which is to automatically promote your latest posts. From here, you can start filtering down by what type of post that you would like to be boosted automatically. First off, you can choose by the type of post, so you can differentiate between a photo, video, or just a link post. And then you can also choose how long you want each post to be boosted for. A good idea here is to have a minimum time of at least 3 or 4 days. That way, if you're only posting a couple of times a week, there's still going to be something that will continue to run there. Now, in addition to that, you can also choose to filter down by text, either the link that you're going to be using on that post. So if we maybe have a link coming out from AdEspresso and it's going to be redirecting people to view our latest blog post, we could actually filter down here and just put AdEspresso. That way it's only going to boost things that have the AdEspresso link inside of them. You can also filter down by the post text itself. So maybe we're actually just creating a hashtags inside of our post, and we want to go ahead and boost everything that has a hashtag and ads after it. You can go ahead and set that up here. And the last options we found are going to be the ability to promote based on social proof. So maybe we want to go ahead and boost things with more than 5 or 10 likes or shares. We could add that proof in here. So we'll go ahead and add 10 likes here. And then we're going to select validating our post filters. We're just going to run a quick check and just make sure that you have at least one post that meets that criteria. Looks like we do here. So we can then move on to step 3. Now in step 3, we can go ahead and target our audience. So feel free to add in a certain location here. We'll go ahead and do United States. This would also be a great time for you to start using some of those larger custom audiences. So if you've created those 180-day retargeting custom audiences from your website, that'll be a great idea here, as the goal is really to make this kind of a large audience size. That way, you're never going to have too small of an audience and your campaign will never stop running at that point. All right, so once you go ahead and add in those custom audiences or any other targeting behavior, you can proceed. You'll note here that there is no split testing for automatic page post promotion campaign, so you won't be able to test the different audiences from here. Everything's just going to be inside of one ad set. Now the next part of this is just to go ahead and put some money behind the campaign. A good idea here is to really not go crazy with it. Maybe do something like $10 per day. That way, it's really not going to spend a lot of budget. Kind of a good thing here just to give everyone maybe just a slight boost, see what's working well and what's not. If you find something's working really well, of course, you can go ahead and turn that into an ad later. Now, something else to note here, that this is going to be a shared budget. So if we have multiple posts running at a time, this isn't going to be $10 per post. This is going to be $10 total. It's just something to keep in mind here. Now, once you are finished with the rest of your budget settings, the last step is just to go ahead and publish the campaign to Facebook.